Hello, everybody. Welcome to a very special feature edition of Art Whisper 88. I am truly overwhelmed by your wonderful response to my open call. And so because of that, I will keep featuring all these talented viewers who submitted photos of their artwork. I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm not trying to sell membership or merchandise. I just want all you viewers out there to just keep creating, believing in yourself, making this world a better place through your artwork. So without further ado, here are a few more submissions. Enjoy them, and please keep sending me photos because this is an ongoing thing and we are a growing community of creative minds. My goal really is to get people from all walks of life to not lose hope and keep believing in yourself and keep practicing your craft and make the world a better place. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.